Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's 3-valve Wednesday, and I'm always excited about those, but you know why I'm extra excited? That's my 06 Saleen right there. So I've been a little shy on 3 valves the last month. You probably watched a ton of our S550 videos. So I pulled my Saleen out of the back building and wanted to show it to you, make a dyno pull. We are gonna watch that dyno pull. This is stock engine, stage 3, our package, with a set of long tube headers. We're gonna check that out. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. I'm gonna go down, look at the engine compartment, tell you a little bit more about it, tell you how I got it. Then we're gonna check out that dyno pull. All right, so what is the story behind this Saleen right here? Well, if you've watched my Saleen videos, you know I love those. Now this supercharger has been discontinued forever. So you have a GT, you can't go buy one of these. But I think out of all the 05 to 09 Mustangs, the Saleen was the coolest looking Mustang. This is a client's car. We've been working on it for a long time. It used to have a Kenny Bell. He called one day and just said, hey, I'm kind of done with this car right here. What do you think about buying it? So we talked back and forth. I bought it off of him, took out the Kenny Bell. I found a wrecked Saleen, got one of these superchargers because they're super hard to find. So, if you have one already, awesome. If you want one, good luck finding one complete. You can find parts to it, but it is what we call our stage 3 package. Stock engine. Doug, come down, take a look. This car's got 80,000 miles on it. It's not the lowest mile car ever, but twin screw supercharger, like 2,300, stock throttle body, stage 3, JLT air induction system, 3/4 pulley, running 93 octane manual, about 9 pounds of boost. We do run like a booster pump with our stage 3 package, colder spark plugs. This also has a set of BBK long tube headers. No Detroit rocker cams, which I want. I'm not gonna get those next, but it's a sweet setup for a car that out of the box, these typically lay down like from the factory, maybe 380 raw horsepower through a manual on 93 if you're lucky, bone stock. But we crank that up right there. So when I got that call, I was excited. Look, I've got 5 kids. I don't get to drive these very often. As you can imagine, with that number of kids, it doesn't work out very well. I have an Expedition I drive every day, but I always wanted one of these. And when a high mile one came up, hey, it's not perfect. Ooh, look at that, Doug, number 471. But it was a convertible. It's a fun car for me to take out in the summertime and have a little bit of fun. So I thought that was sweet. So let's watch this dyno pull and talk more about it. All right, before I look at the numbers, one more thing. It is 3-valve Wednesday. I've got another car I want to show you out in the shop at the end of this. So if you like 3 valves, stick around. You're probably going to be like brain melted. It's a sneak peek. But Doug, come over here, take a look. Dynojet SAE, 2 pulls in a row, 460 to the tires, 6,300 RPM, 459 to the tires, 6,300 RPM. Torque came in 435 and 438. We're over 400 torque. Right when I hit it, over 3,000 RPM right there. Actually, I hit about 2,500. Boom. Awesome numbers for stock cams. Again, you have a Saleen. It's just our stage 3 package with a set of long tubes. And if you have a 3-valve Mustang and you want a blower, I will put links at the end to our 3-valve playlist because our Paxton Throwback's a great package. That's awesome. Maybe you want an HO kit, something intercooled. We have those available. But this isn't. I just want to show it to you. It's a cool car. Like I said, it's got 80,000 miles. It's not perfect. It's got a couple dings. Interior, maybe a little bit wore. Already had the roll bar in it. But for me, just getting it out, driving like 4 times a year, it's a fun car. So in the details, I will put a link to our stage 3 package. If you have a Saleen, you can upgrade. Don't forget at the end, videos of what blowers available for these cars. I will put that as well for you to watch. But that's pretty much it for today. Leave that comment. I am going to walk out in the shop, show you one more thing that I'm going to do a video on later, because it's been quite a progress getting this car done. But hey, sign off if you want. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. We're in Indiana. Quote at brenspeed.com. What's it cost to build my car? Let's go check this out. All right, real quick. I told you I'm going to give you a sneak peek. I want to show you one of my other cars. It's taken forever to build. You know why? Because we're always building clients' cars. See this? You know what that is right there. Look. What's this? It's 3-valve Wednesday. Doug, check this out. What could that be? You know what that is. This is going to blow the internet's mind someday when I get it done. Boom.